Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to restore deleted videos in Google Photo. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Google Photo. So I'm going to simply click on Google Photo. Then having clicked on your Google Photo, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Collections. Then right here from collection, what you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to this particular icon, trash. So simply click on trash, just like so. Then you have all the photos and video right here. And for you to restore any of the video, what you need to do is to simply select the video you want to reinstall. I want to reinstall this particular video right here. So it's going to be open up like this. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on restore right here. And in a few seconds, restore back. It's as simple as that. Guide on how to buy goods from different stores on Chinese shopping app. So the video has been successfully restored back. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply restore deleted videos in Google Photo. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.